The name on this sleeve means we're the official partner of FC Barcelona. The name on everything else we make means we're the official partner of every you and every me. We're the official partner of Midnight Adventurers. After the party heroes. We're the official partner of you forgetting her birthday. Yes, you. And the way you will fix it. Starting the diet. Tomorrow. Yes, we're the official partner of Diet too. We are the official partner of money left in pockets. And of those odd socks when you're running late. We're the official partner of the lucky t-shirt. We're the official partner of rising, falling, and getting up again. We're the official partner of this team spirit. And this one. We are Beko. We are the official partner of the everyday.